If the battery on your Google Pixel 10 Pro XL is stuck at 80% when charging, then here's what you can do. First of all, we need to open settings. Next, we need to find and open the battery settings in here, and then we're gonna go to battery health. Now we can find charging optimization, and in here we can toggle the 80% limit. So if you want to, you can limit the battery charge to 80%. You can of course disable the limit and switch to adaptive charging. However, even adaptive charging can limit the battery to 80% from time to time. As we can read over here that adaptive charging learns your charging routine and pauses at 80% and finishes to 100% an hour before you usually unplug. Of course, due to the learning process, the phone can still not recognize when and how you charge your phone, so you might be stuck at 80% sometimes, even with adaptive charging. So generally speaking, if you want to fix the issue, you can try to switch to adaptive charging. If you do use adaptive charging and if you still are stuck at 80%, then you probably want to disable charging optimization, which is actually not really recommended to do. But of course, if you prefer to have 100% all the time, then you can just do that. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.